This is my 356 Porsche. My uncle John had this when I was probably about 10 years old. He used to take me to the University of Michigan games, football games, and we'd buzz the hills of Ann Arbor. As I got older and he had this sitting in his garage. I think he's the second owner. He had it sitting in his garage, and I tried to get it off him when I was in high school and came really close. But he just couldn't part with it at that time, which is probably a good idea. So, but later on in the years, as he's he's moved it, I think, in 3 different locations, and it was just under a tarp in his garage. When he got to his late 80s, he gave me a call and asked if I wanted it, and naturally did. So I drove about 300 miles over to the Detroit area to pick it up and trailered it home. Used to have some stickers on it from the Groseal Island, the reserve station down there at the south end of Groseal, which is an island over in the Detroit River. That was kind of special because I knew he used to live with us for a little bit and go to school and go down to the reserve base down in Groseal. So that sticker, we were going to have it reestablished or reworked and place it on the car, but we didn't. But that was one thing that kind of made it more special. Took me a few years to get it restored, and I had City Auto Body in Grand Haven restore it for me. And we took our time with it. It took about 5 years to get it back from them and work the bugs out of it. But everything's brand new on it, and it's a new vehicle.